What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to pay with card on Remitly. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly pay with a card here in Remitly? Well, paying with a card in Remitly is actually pretty easy. So first is first, you want to open up Remitly here and just basically log in into your account. Now, in your account, what we need to do is you want to go to the manage option at the bottom right of your screen. And in here, you should see a bunch of stuff. But what we're looking for is going to be the payment methods. Let's go ahead and click or press on it. Now, from here, we want to go and choose the add payment method, and you want to go and choose the card option here. Now, with the card option, obviously, you may need to provide your details like the card number, the expiration of the card, and the security code for it. Also, you may need to provide the name that actually appears on the card. Now, this one is really important. You need to make sure that it actually matches the exact name on that card. Otherwise, it might get rejected. And also, you could add a nickname here, but this is just optional. Now, you could go ahead and add a billing address that is linked on your card here and just click on the save button that you see at the very bottom of your screen. Now, once you've done this, you could just go ahead and go back to the main menu here, click on send at the very bottom here, and just complete the form that they'll be asking you to complete here in order for you to proceed with payment. Now, remember, when you're doing the payment here or you're processing the payment, make sure to choose the card option in order for you to pay with the card that we just recently added or connected. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.